Alpaca wool is the softest, lightest, strongest wool that we've come across to help prevent blisters around and in between the toes. It also benefits from being lanolin free. To use alpaca wool, open the bag, which contains 20 grams of alpaca wool in a long continuous strip. Pull a part off and split into a smaller length required to weave between the toes. Start with the big toe and weave around all the lesser toes until you get back to the little toe. Just leave the loose edges or cut them to size and continue to put your socks on. Or a smaller piece just to go between two toes. For ballet dancers who go on pointe, the wool can be used in the toe area of the ballet shoe by creating a small nest of wool that will protect the toes from the wooden block and reduce the amount of friction and moisture created by dancing, wicking the moisture away from the skin. Leave the alpaca on for the day, remove it after an activity, do not wear at night, and use a fresh piece for the next day. It will felt and look a bit odd, but that's what it's supposed to do, as then the friction is taken up within the wool and not on the skin. It is very important to point out that the wool cannot be wrapped around the toe, as the wool can become tight when wet and could restrict the circulation to the toe.